So we got the Koshine Chinese copy. I think it's a copy of a little KX60 kids dirt bike. Picked this up for 50 bucks Australian from my brother who found it at the tip and needed a bit of work. The motor was missing, the swing arm was chopped up, there was a lot of bolts missing, and there was no throttle. The exhaust, it was there but it wasn't fitted to this motor, so I had to buy a new motor, $80 on eBay, delivered, and had to buy a few more parts. So throttle cable with the grips there, a couple of bits and pieces, new chain, has a brand new chain on there, sprocket off another bike, lots of welding, lots of bits and pieces. You can see my dodgy welding on the swing arm there. It's actually quite strong, it doesn't look that great. I've put a bracket on the swing arm there to make it taller because my fat bum's going to be sitting on this thing. And then I had to make my own engine mounts, see, and weld extra bracing on the frame there. That's the carby under there. But yeah, she actually goes pretty good. Customized exhaust, which actually runs inside the frame. I had to weld my own muffler on there. Bit more impressive welding. Yeah, a bit of modification, but she goes. Let's start her up.